Guys, this is how you can create polls on WhatsApp to make chats more interesting. You need to open the chat, then press on this icon, then make pause. Then you ask the question, which one is good? Which one is good? Rwanda, Uganda. Here you can even select the flags. Then the flag for Uganda, let me look for it. Here's the flag. Here you will need to send the message. Then someone will have to choose between the two. As you can see, this guy has chosen Rwanda. The chat is so interesting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.